Make use of infographics while making posts or blogs on social media. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 9 says to make use of infographics while making posts or blogs on social media. Certainly, promotional information put across in words alone is dull and less likely to draw your much anticipated traffic. Most social media users are more attracted to pictorial information as compared to written or spoken information. Therefore, it's highly recommended that you spice up your promotional information with pictures and branded images. Of course, this will show your audience how serious you are about making them have an interest in whatever information you are attempting to put across. You need to use these social media marketing hacks to take advantage of social media usage growth, which, as you can see in the chart, continues to trend upward at a staggering rate. Stay connected to me, subscribe and hit that little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, life is good.